Hello guys, welcome back to my channel AGMR. So today in this video we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Flipkart smartbuy wireless headphones. So let's just not waste any more time guys, let's unbox it and later we can just review it and give the pros and cons of the headphone. So here we go. So this is the Flipkart smartbuy wireless headphones. I received it today and the price for this at Flipkart is 1099 rupees, and as you guys can see that the Flipkart's sticker is being wrapped up in the box. So let's not waste any more time guys, let's just go in unboxing. Let's just cut this off first and open the box. So now let's just open it and check it out. So this is the bill. Yes, you can see guys that this is the headphones bill. Let's keep it aside. And now let's go further opening and unboxing the headphone. Let's keep this box aside. We've got a decent packing from the Flipkart. There's no issue in packing for me. We'll have to remove the cover too. So you can see the Flipkart smartbuy on the box guys. Let me just remove this. I actually basically like this kind of packing because there's not much design on it, so it just saves your money guys, because even the packing also they consume a lot of money for it. So here is the details behind. Okay, let's just open it. Yeah. Okay, so this is the headphone guys. I've got it pretty decently. Let's just check it out. It looks beautiful. It's pretty decent with the black color. It has got a good built-in quality guys, so I'm really impressed with the built-in quality. And these are the ear cups, so it's pretty good, it's decent, and the cushions that are kept on the ear cups are really good. You feel really comfortable on it. And this is the charging port, so you can close it once you charge, so it's pretty good. And yeah, here you can see the AUX cable. If your battery is down for wireless, you can connect it. Here's the power button, and these are the monthly functional buttons which you can use for changing your songs or also for the volume. There's a Flipkart smartbuy logo here on the left ear cups, and these are also extendable, so that's a good option here. So there's no problem in it. Also, it's quite smooth, so no issues with it. Pretty nice to even see the cushions on even the top are also good. Let's just check out the rest of the things. So we have got a USB cable for the charging, so you can use this on any USB port guys, so there's no problem. From 5 volts onwards you can use it. This is a card from Flipkart. This is the user guide. Well, I would actually recommend you guys to read this user manual because it has got few stuffs which you might be confused, so better you read it once. So that's all about the unboxing, guys. Now let me just give you a glimpse about the sound quality. You can check the sound quality, guys. So that was all about the unboxing of the Flipkart Smart Buy wireless headphone, guys. Now let's just quickly review about this headphone. So let's talk about the pros about this headphone first. So you would absolutely ask me about the built-in quality first. So talking about the built-in quality, this headphone has impressed me in its built-in quality because it has a perfect built-in quality and there's no issue in the built-in quality. So a big thumbs up for the built-in quality as well. And talking about the comfort zone that's present in the headphone, there's no issue with the comfort, as you know it has quite a big ear cups with really soft cushions, so there's no problem in comfort. You can use it for continuously for almost 4 to 5 hours also, there's no issue. And next pro that we are going to talk about is the battery. So this headphone has a battery which is capable to last for around 5 to 6 hours continuously. So that's a great thing that I've been noticed in this headphone. So even that gets a huge thumbs up from me. And there's not a lot more cons about this, because what I found out is that the bass that's present in this headphone that the headphone delivers to us is quite less when compared to other headphones at this price range. But I'm not saying that the headphone doesn't deliver a good bass, but not a powerful bass that was mentioned in the Flipkart. So there's no issue with that also. You can use it because the sound quality is just brilliant, and also the bass is also good, so I won't complain it. So it's just good to go, guys. And now let's talking about the buttons that are present in this headphone. You have a power button, and of course if you read the user manual you get to know how to use it, and you get the AUX port there, so you can just use the AUX cable and connect it to your mobile phones when the Bluetooth battery just drains away, but still you will be able to use it through the AUX cable. There's no issue in that either. And the two buttons that they are present is the used for changing the songs or playing the next song, or even you can change the volume, or even to attend calls or something it's used. So even that is mentioned in the user guide, guys, so you can just read it out and get to know how to use it. It's not a big deal, so it's pretty easy. If you just read it once you'll understand. So that was all about the unboxing and review of the Flipkart Smart Buy wireless headphones, guys. Overall, if you would ask me whether to buy this or no, I would highly recommend you to buy this headphone. At this price range, it's almost just 1k, that's 1,000 rupees. So if your price range is around 1,000, I would 100% recommend you this, because it's of course wireless, it has great sound quality and also great bass quality and a good battery life, and also you can use it as a wired headphones when the battery drains. There's no issue with this headphone, guys, as far as I've used. So there's a great I would give it a great thumbs up, and I would also recommend you guys to check it out, and if you liked it you can buy it. So if you are a new viewer to our channel, please do click the subscribe button below and subscribe to the channel, and also click the bell icon that's next to that, so that you don't miss out a single update from my channel. And you can just leave your comments below, and if you want me to review any other product, you can just comment in the comment section below. And also there are a lot of other great stuffs in my channel, you can just go and check it out. And if you want any other movie reactions or any other stuff, you can just comment it, guys, and I'll be doing it for you. So let's meet up in another interesting video, guys. So until then, signing off from Sam.
தோத்தாலும் ஜெயிச்சாலும்